25 here, and we are here with Cameron.
Hey, stop it.
Okay, we're gonna have a song played for a while. Okay, there. Okay. He can't resist it. He loves it. We're doing some Minecraft, and
EA Sports.
it's got that.
It's
Oh
got
my
everything.
god!
This app has everything.
He has an awesome app. I don't even know what it's called. What's it called?
One second. Instant buttons.
Instant Buttons.
Yes.
You download that app. It's the best app.
Oh yes.
What?
Hasta la vista, baby. Yes, Arnold Schwarzenegger. I love this app.
Okay. What should we play? You want to play some hide and seek, guys? Yeah.
It's a trap. Yeah, sure.
Okay, we're gonna play some hide and seek. We'll be back when we're in a server. Hey guys, we're back.
Ooh, this app is everything.
Dun, dun, dun. I am a chest.
Lucky.
I am a chest, so I picked the wrong one. No, I didn't nail it actually. Well, actually, yeah,
You kind of
nailed
did.
it.
Yeah, just hang out right there. No one ever find. Well, maybe not right there.
Oh, here it comes.
Going to suck. Yeah, I'm just gonna go find stuff, you know.
He's not even playing. I'm playing.
I'm not. Oh no, I'll play with the map. Yeah, he's playing. I'm just messing around with this. I didn't get all the.
Okay,
Wow.
we're solid. Okay, so we got some entertainment. We got Cameron's buttons.
Yeah.
2 minutes in. Okay, so. Hey, da! 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 Do a Harlem shake. You look so funny. He's actually doing the Harlem shake right now, guys.
I just got my arms in the air like I just did that chair. I want to shake my butt. Okay, add that butt to it.
Okay, we're gonna get solid again.
That's not what I thought it was. I thought that was bangs.
We got a sword.
Yay. No more time to give one what left. And
Back. Oh, do random. Oh, it might do the one with the F word in it. Just like the
There's
one
some
of a,
bad ones.
a one
in
of
here.
a 1 of a million chance.
Who let the dogs out?
I let the dogs out.
Oh, yep. Never let the dogs
Windows
out.
95.
Now we know. By the way, the fire in the background is just the fire in the game. It's over there. In the fire pit. Which you guys saw.
Dude, you know I'm So Sexy, that song?
Yeah?
They got it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, wait, that's not what I was thinking of. I was trying to sing another song.
What's up the fuck thing?
What the fox say?
Oh, there's a guy. Did you see him?
Yeah. You guys see him? He's right there.
I hope
That guy just said he was a flower pot.
No, I am a flower. That's dumb.
He's like,
What if he's
yeah, I'm gonna found.
What is the flower pot answer to this?
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna be right back.
Okay,
I'm
Karen.
gonna find this is eight.
Okay. He's gonna go do something, guys. So. What did you say you are on? Okay. So we're just gonna stay here. And hear the crinkling fire. I mean, just camera so you guys can see a little better. I know you guys can't see that well.
I found the best one for
He's
I got another good one.
okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Countdown.
Go you up, you old band that doesn't exist anymore. This is just like, this is not a game of hide and seek. This is a game.
I can't shift. That's it.
Sticky
Oh,
keys.
there it goes. Dun, dun, dun. What was that? Alvin and the Chipmunks just going dun, dun,
Sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Release the Kraken.
Release the Kraken.
The Kraken.
The Kraken.
Oh yeah, isn't that in Minecraft?
It is in Crazy Craft, and it's from Pirates of the Caribbean too.
Oh.
That's probably what that's
Oh
from.
yeah.
I never saw those anymore. Those movies.
What the heck is that? It's like is that
PlayStation 3 trophy.
Oh. Trophy in PlayStation 3.
Okay,
Woo
I'll be right back again. I'm testing once to see if they're good or not.
Okay. Here, I'm just in the camera again, so you guys see. And, yep. This is pretty boring. They're not even coming. So you're just getting commentary for us.
Guys, I found Happy.
Oh.
I found Happy. See, look at it. I just got liquid. I know it's an old thing, but it's on here, so I figured I might as well do it. It's an old, somewhat old. I had to do that. Punch to the face. Yeah, walk away.
Yep.
I think we just won, right?
Flame through fire as a chest. Restarting in 10 seconds.
Woo, did we win? Did we win?
Yeah.
Everyone's left?
Yeah.
Woo! There's a GG one on here.
Really?
Yeah.
Say that.
I'm looking for it. There's MLB, Mermaid Evil, Mario, Laugh, Jaws. How about no?
Why is there a cat?
Oh yeah.
GG!
See?
Good game, guys. That's what we said for good game. Or that's what we say for good game.
I'm gonna go back down to the bottom.
We're at 7
Okay,
minutes.
so we're gonna wait. We're gonna do another one.
Actually, we're gonna do a different game because
Okay, we'll be right back.
it might take a long time. Okay, okay, guys. We're just playing a random song and we're going in. Somebody's frustrated.
What?
No permission. We have no permission. Okay, we're doing Skywars. We're on.
What is going on?
We're on VicStar123 server, guys. So I'll put.
Subscribe to that guy. He's cool.
Yeah, he's cool. He's played with an awesome guy named Think Noodles.
Yeah, he's played with a lot of people.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's
loud.
you. I thought that was my app, and I was like, what is going on?
Why is there a villager sound?
Yeah. Jeez, I just downloaded 20 apps.
Hurry up. Okay, so wait, no, game started in 10 seconds. There we go. 4, 3, don't quit. Somebody don't quit. Oops. Oh, we will rock you. We will rock you.
We suck at this game.
We will rock you. And I am a horrible singer. Let's go. We will. What?
For any of you guys, South Park, they killed Kenny. For any of you South Park, I'm sorry. For any of you South Park fans, they killed Kenny. Oh my god, they killed Kenny.
I can't place it. Talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand.
No. Don't talk.
I could get SpongeBob, but I don't want to.
Yeah, SpongeBob's pretty
There's a
annoying.
pineapple under the sea.
Oh, well, you just did.
Green and yellow and purple.
Okay, we're gonna get to the game, maybe less of this.
Yeah. So we got our armor on, guys. Now we're just
Sexy
gonna...
and I know it.
He likes that. He just does.
I'm sexy and I know it.
I'm still finding this. I literally just got this. I love
Yeah.
that they got this. these, I don't stress. Popcorn.
Oops.
Oh, this is actually popcorn. You ever heard this song?
No.
This is a good song.
Oh yeah, I've heard this song.
Yeah, I did it with I heard it like I first originally heard of it with the Muppets. You know, have you seen the Swedish Chef version?
Oh, I've seen Swedish Chef, but
Yeah.
you guys should check out the Swedish Chef. It's hilarious.
I'm curious for any of you people that are Swedish. Does he actually speak Swedish? It was Swedish. That's a language, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
that is.
I'm
Yeah.
actually Sweden. Like
Swedish?
yeah.
Sweden?
No, I'm just Swedish. Like you know how some people are
Yeah,
Irish.
yeah. Like
some-
I have like English in me.
Oh,
I
gosh.
have Ireland. No wait, I'm Irish. I don't know why I was going to say Irelandish. Well, I'm Irelandish. Yeah. But yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fill this and this cobblestone.
I needed that for myself.
Okay, we're gonna just mine all this iron and stuff. And we're gonna have. Should we have like an expandable series? Like, remember we just.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're gonna have a series where we just on Skywars,
We
where
do
we just
expandables.
blow up.
We go expandable style. For all of you guys that know expandables, it's the third one just kind of came out like about half a year to a year ago, and they're basically it's a movie. It's about a military group that are expandable. And this movie is amazing because they got like every single action movie within like the last 50 years. It was amazing.
Yeah,
They even got Harrison Ford and Arnold Schwarzenegger in there.
I know. Ooh, diamond pickaxe.
I can't
I'll
believe
take
that.
that.
I can't believe you didn't realize that.
I don't
Yeah,
know
but
what-
so like they would go in, and then these are the people that the government will risk killing.
Hey, somebody went here. Oh shoot, I should probably kill him.
With your wooden sword.
Which does more? 5, 4. I'm gonna use my diamond pickaxe then, because it does more damage. Oh. Water! No, it didn't water! Okay, this video is getting way too long. So,
See you guys later.
okay guys, we'll see you later. It's Flame Through Fire. And we nailed it. Bye. See you guys later. Woo! We're out.